I'm testing the game inside Unity's editor. At first glance, things seem to run fine. But then I notice something strange. My character takes damage, but the health bar doesn't update. Looks like we've hit a bug. Time to check the Unity's console log, but it's not exactly helpful here. Hundreds of mixed messages all stacked on top of each other. The font is tiny, everything looks the same, and worst of all, there's no clear structure. You're forced to scroll endlessly and click on each message just to find where it came from. Even filtering doesn't help much when you're dealing with a flood of overlapping logs. If you've ever debugged the UI like this, you know how frustrating it is. That's when UnitAI steps in and changes everything. Instead of wasting time digging through logs, I just type explain me the latest log. But before that, make sure the capture logs option is enabled. You'll find it right above the message box. Once it's checked, UnitAI starts monitoring and saving console output automatically. Now the model can read those logs directly and help with real-time diagnostics. After sending my message, UnitAI grabs the latest logs, breaks them down, and replies with a clean, human-friendly explanation. I don't have to scroll, squint, or guess what happened. It even highlights the most critical parts so I can focus on what matters. This feels like real debugging support, not just another chatbot. Alright, the model finished analyzing the captured logs. Let's take a closer look at what happens next. It starts by parsing the stack trace and jumping straight to the affected code. It automatically opens the relevant script files and points to the exact methods involved. No guesswork. The model reads through your actual Unity code and outlines the path that triggered the issue. It explains the method logic, the line that likely caused the error, and what parameters were passed. It's like getting a breakdown from someone who already knows your project. But what really blew me away, it doesn't stop there. Almost instantly, Unity generates a fixed proposal. It suggests precise code edits based on the logs and context it just reviewed. It explains why the change matters, what to modify, and even adds warnings if the patch affects gameplay logic. Then it opens the command approval window. Here, you can scroll through the proposed changes, line by line. It's all clearly marked, additions, modifications, everything. You review, confirm, or decline, you're always in control. And once I click approve, the fix is applied instantly. That's real-time AI-assisted coding, and it works beautifully in Unity. Now let me return to that initial explanation message. This isn't a flat dump of logs, everything is grouped by type, with errors, warnings, and debug logs clearly separated. Similar entries are even aggregated. I can go deeper. I'll ask, is there a problem with the character's health level updating? Or can you focus on stats-related bugs? And if needed, I can request add more debug lines around damage handling. It responds fast, and I can keep moving without losing flow. With UnitAI, the model has full access not just logs, but also scenes, scripts, project files, and asset folders. It understands what's happening in your game at every level. That means it can troubleshoot UI issues, character bugs, performance drops, anything, and offer working solutions. This isn't just smarter AI, this is real coding support that thinks in context. It's like having a senior developer reviewing your project in real time every time you type. And the best part, it's all built right inside Unity. No switching tools, no external dashboards, just you, your game, and one powerful assistant.